This is Nosh Quick and Easy. Our simple approach to cooking continues. So let's have a quick look through. So first of all, we've got a nice picture of us. Here we are. And then into a little letter from Mum, and then our quick and easy approach to flavours, and then our mug. So no need for measuring equipment or scales in this book, just a mug and maybe a few spoons. And then into some snack ideas. We've got some ciabattas, some burgers, a smoked salmon muffin, another nice burger with like mango on top, some nice rosti dishes which are great for using up potatoes, a potage malakoff, which is a really lovely soup. Then into 30 minutes or quicker, 30 minutes or faster, some pasta dishes. That's a lovely rigatoni, spicy rigatoni one. A chorizo risotto, prawn dish, a couple of prawn dishes. The seafood's obviously nice and quick. You can see some of the pages are turned down on some of these recipes. That's because this is one of the copies from one of our kitchens. That's a great curry, that one, cashew curry. I use that recipe all the time as well. A nice sausage soup. Fish, kind of Normandy fish soup, and then one that's really quick to prepare, but might go in the oven for a little bit. But so these are still in the kind of quick and easy philosophy of the book. Friends Around starts with a lovely steak salad sharing platter with ciabatta. It's absolutely lovely. We do that one all the time. Then a chicken and mango salad. Those koftas are great. Some southern fried inspired chicken. Then we finish off the section with a nice prawn jambalaya here. Then into cakes and desserts, we've got those Smarties cookies are brilliant. If you've got kids, they're really, really good. If you don't have kids, they're still really good. Lovely chocolate cake. Then we've got an instant ice cream where you just put everything in a food processor and it turns into ice cream. It's amazing and it's instant. A beautiful brioche and raspberry bread and butter pudding. And then we finish with the trifle, and that's it. That's our book, Nosh Quick and Easy. Enjoy.